Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikel the Woke Artist. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you wish. If you like, if you want to. It's free. It doesn't cost a thing. To like, comment, share, subscribe. But do it at your own pace. Do it at your own free will. Turn on post notifications so you know each time I drop and upload a video. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks again for tuning in with me for another video. For today's topic, subject title is going to be titled Introverts and Loners Do Not Like Talking to People. Introverts and loners, we're not mean, we're not hateful, we're not nasty, we're not spiteful. We just know that people don't understand us. We know people cannot comprehend, wrap their heads around, can't fathom and think the way we do. We know people cannot think outside the box like us. But us introverts and loners, we're not nasty and snappy. We don't snap at people, talk nasty, and talk to people in a condescending tone. We don't do that. It's just when we do talk, everyone just look like they're saying, "What are we talking about?" They look lost. They look so bewildered that they can't understand and grasp what we are saying, what we are meaning, when we are expressing ourselves, our thoughts, and our feelings. Us introverts and loners, we don't sugarcoat anything. We put it all on the table. We read everyone cards correctly. We read everyone the right way. We feel people's energy, their vibes, and their moods towards us when they are around us. And we just read their cards. We tell the truth about how things is in this world, how people is in society, how our family is. We just lay it all out. Us introverts and loners, we lay it all out. We leave no cards blank. All the cards is laid out on the table. We don't leave them blank. And people be like, well, if you seen this in me, if you notice this about me, why you never said something sooner? Why you never came to me and told me sooner? They ask questions like, why you wait so long to express yourself and to tell me if I treated you in a bad way or if I wronged you in some kind of way? Why you wait so late to tell me? And us introverts and loners waited so late to tell them We didn't tell them right away that we saw through them, and we didn't call them out right away on their bad points because we knew they was going to lie to us. We knew all they would do was gaslight, lie, manipulate, keep playing mind games, keep playing all the mind tricks, keep trying to deceive us. We knew it. We've been on to their game for a long time. We've been onto the game of how they are. We've been peeped their game for a long time. The gig been up. The jig been up. It's been a wrap for them because these people abused us mentally, verbally, emotionally, psychologically, and some of us been abused sexually and been molested. And we knew all they would do was deny it. Make us think that we're crazy, we're losing it. We are imagining things. It's just our imagination. It's our big, wonderful, great imagination. It's all in our heads. What we're seeing them do, we're not seeing them do. What we hear they say, we're not hearing them say it. We schizophrenia. We hear voices. We see things. We knew that they would just deny our accusations against them and try to change the stories and events around that happened. We knew they would change the events, the stories, and the situations around that they did to us, how they hurt us. We knew they would just only change or switch everything around. We knew they would twist everything around to make themselves look kind of innocent, look more innocent, or look totally innocent. And like we just taking things the wrong way, we're overreacting, we're being too emotional, we're getting too excited over something that is much enough than something that's not a big deal. We got bad nerves. We're too sensitive. A bunch of games. That's why us introverts and loners do not talk, do not open up.